I've had a small snake in the pool at one time, but only once. So
Really?
in 10 years, that's not bad.
That's not bad, yeah.
I've always said I'm moving. Snakes.
The tarantula was pretty nasty. But first time I ever actually saw one out in the wild, which is amazing. But we are getting ready to head out to Henderson, Nevada. We're going to check out the Hoover Dam. Looking forward to that. It's about an hour and a half-ish ride. Not too bad. We got some weather in Lake Havasu City. And got some snow up there on those mountains. Actually looks really beautiful, but we will check back in. All right, we're fueling up and on our way to Henderson, Nevada, and then grab a bite to eat at the hotel, wind down a little bit, and then in the morning we'll pack up in the morning, and then we'll head to the Hoover Dam, check that out, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of good photos and videos. Kids are looking forward to it, and it should be a lot of fun. So we'll see you there. We made it to Nevada. We have about an hour left, maybe a little bit less. But there's a rest area right when you come in from the California side. It's actually really nice. Beautiful scenery, mountains.
And then a very, very straight road coming up.
It's quite flat.
That's about 40 miles.
That's right. We'll see you when we get there. Pulled into the Westin, just outside of Las Vegas. It's really nice. Kind of like on a golf course, I think. We got homes up there in the hills. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's going to be beautiful. A little upper crust. Nice. Really nice.
Hello, Daddy!
Oh, babe. Hey. We open the door and they ripped on the bed.
No trash!
No trash?
Yes.
Alright, keep unpacking your snacks. I need them in here.
1, 2. Oh, you're catching up to me. Oh no. Yeah. What? Can you have me put my yellow up? What? Yes. Okay, and it's my turn to pick up a card. Oh, let's see. 1. Oh. Hoover. Bye. Hoover. Hoover. Hoover.
Come on.
Hoover. 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 Oh, I remember it being.
No, they're spitting out water. It's not, they're spitting out water too.
one battery. So hopefully I'm able to take a decent amount of videos with a little less than a half battery life in this. But we had to stop at the scenic overlook. It was really pretty.
So that's Lake Mead. Oh, you see the bugs. That's what it focuses on. It's too bad. Sorry.
There it is, guys.
Look out your window, Errol. You'll start to see some of it. Ooh, look at this bridge, Bob. Look.
Mom, how do you walk
Do you see that bridge, Errol? Do you want to go up there?
No.
I knew he was going to say that.
Yeah, it's a little high for Dad.
That's intense. Woo! That's beautiful.
That's in town, Dad.
Yeah.
That's in town.
You can't go up that. No, that's a bad idea. Don't go that bridge.
Is that a security camera?
It's big.
Huh.
And height.
Wow, that is, I mean, it's beautiful. When we come back up, I'll try to get a good shot.
We recommend if you're visiting the Hoover Dam to get there probably before 10 to beat the rush. We went right through the security checkpoint. A couple quick questions. They want to make sure that you don't have any drones, any illegal drugs, or dangerous weapons. So as long as you're not carrying those inside the gates of the Hoover Dam, then you're free to continue on. And there is paid parking as soon as you cross in. It'll be on your immediate left-hand side. It's $10. We recommend that if you do get there early enough to go across the dam like we did, there's one more pay option that they have on the Arizona side of the dam for another $10. Or if you're lucky like we were, you can find some free parking just beyond, and we all walk down without an issue. So just something to maybe save a few bucks.
You can get some still photos. Good job.
All right, we made it to the Hoover Dam. When you pull in, you can park for $10. We went over the dam, and on the other side you can park as well. Right there for $10. Or park where we did back there by the Arizona state sign, and we parked for free. A little exercise.
So can you see the bridge?
Is that a boat? I wonder if it's a security boat.
Yeah.
You can see them in it.
We're gonna walk on back.
Walk back and the knock and knock and knock and the whack a whack. Whack a whack a whack a whack a whack a whack.
Just like in the Grand Canyon episode, kids, heights equals massive anxiety for dad. It's gorgeous.
Over the
Less anxiety on this side.
No, I can't really see.
You can't? Get a little shorter?
Oh, now I'm gonna go.
Hey babe,
Yeah.
we came,
We saw.
we left.
You right?
That was pretty cool. Didn't even cost a dime.
No, it didn't. That was really.
Many of you, like us, either don't know or we forgot about the Hoover Dam. So just to give you a quick background, it's a concrete arch gravity dam, and it's in the Black Canyon, which is on the Colorado River, and it's nestled between the state of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed it started in 1931 and it ended in 1936, and this all took place during the Great Depression. Thousands of men worked on this dam, and it took over 100 lives during its construction. It cost about $49 million, and that would estimate to be about $790 million in today's currency. The tall towers that you see in some of the clips, the water from the river goes into those towers and then gets funneled out the other side. The purpose of the dam is to provide power, flood control, water storage, regulation, and recreation. During its construction, it was referred to as the Hoover Dam after President Herbert Hoover. President Roosevelt then named it the Boulder Dam, and in 1947, Congress restored the name to, as it presently is called, the Hoover Dam. So if you are in the Las Vegas area, check it out. It was great to see. We had a lot of fun, and hopefully we'll be back again to see it in the future.